If you don't like wasting time but still want stunning designs, then these apps are your new best friends. First up we have Perfect for Beginners. It offers tons of templates and an easy drag and drop interface. Next, the go-to for professionals. It's powerful, versatile, and packed with features for any project. For vector graphics, check out. It's ideal for logos, icons, and any scalable design work. Want to create stunning layouts? Is your tool perfect for everything from brochures to ebooks? Now, for those who love sketching, on the iPad is a game changer. It's intuitive and perfect for digital illustrations. Looking for something free but powerful? Offers Photoshop-like features without the price tag. And don't forget, for collaborative projects, it's all about real-time design and teamwork. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these apps and unleash your creativity today. Attention all creatives! Ready to discover the ultimate design toolkit? Let's get started. Adobe Photoshop, the industry standard for photo editing and graphic design. Need to create stunning logos and icons? Adobe Illustrator has got your back. For beautifully laid out print materials, Adobe InDesign is your best friend. CorelDRAW offers both vector illustration and page layout in one package. For UI/UX design, Sketch is a go-to. Collaborate in real time with Figma. Canva is perfect for quick and easy designs with its pre-made templates. Affinity Designer is known for its speed and precision. Procreate on iPad is a powerhouse for digital painting and illustration. Gravit Designer is great for vector creations. Inkscape is a free open-source vector editor. And for raster editing, GIMP is your free open-source solution. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tools will supercharge your creativity. Happy designing!